Hi everyone, it's me Bonnie from OZBEAUTYEXPERT. Today we're going to be creating this look with some beautiful bold brows, long lashes and a bold lip. Today I'm using the Max Factor Radiant Lift Foundation. This is a really luminous foundation and the colour is Golden Honey. This is the Urban Decay All Nighter Concealer. My colour is medium neutral. I love this concealer because it really covers everything, and as the name suggests, all nighter, it will last you all day long without budging. I'm going to finish my base with the Hourglass Ambient Lighting Dim Light Finishing Powder. This is the amazing Pro Face palette by ProFusion. It has everything you need to create a really beautiful makeup look. It's got brow products, it's got illuminate, bronzer, blush and eyeshadow colors, and it comes with a brush as well. I'm going to use the eyeshadow color Unique to contour my eye, so I'm going to blend that into the socket line and along my lower lash line. Now I'm going to use the color Intent to highlight the inner half of my eyelid. There are 4 different colour options for brows in this palette. There are 2 warmer browns and 2 cooler browns. For me, I'm going to use the darkest ash brown colour to fill in my brows with an angled brush. Because I want my brows to be quite bold today, I'm going to apply a little bit of the brow wax in the palette with my angled brush into the brow hairs. This will just intensify the colour of the brow powder. I'm just going to apply some of my Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. Now I'm going to warm up my complexion and give my face a bit of shape and contour using the medium bronzer and the brush that comes in the Pro Face palette. I am then going to highlight my cheekbones, my brow bone, my upper lip using the smaller brush and this colour Dazzle Illuminate. Then I'll finish it off with some fancy blush. For my lips, I'm going to use the ProFusion Mixed Metal Lip Kit in Berry. Last but not least, I'm going to apply a pair of boho lashes from 1000 Hour. I love wearing this look with a beautiful pair of dangly earrings and my hair slicked back and tucked behind my ears. So guys, I hope you love this look as much as I do. I must say this is one of my go-to looks for events. These products are really easy to use and they're super beautiful quality.